Next 11.2 first question, evaluate the following: sin 45 degrees plus cos 45. But we know that sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 plus cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. The denominator same, therefore root 2, and the numerator becomes 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 2 by root 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 root cancel and answer is root 2. Next, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. We know that cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3 and cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. The values we can take from the table. Therefore, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60 is equal to 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 3. And we can write that as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. That is equal to root 3 by 4 root 2. So answer is cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60 is equal to root 3 by 4 root 2. Third question, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cot 60 minus sec 30. We know that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, tan 45 is equal to 1 and cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3, cot 45 is equal to 1 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 2, sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. The same values we have to substitute in the given equation, that is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. That can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Both are same, numerator and denominator we can cancel and we get answer 1. Therefore, we can say that sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30 is equal to 1. Okay, that is the answer. Fourth question, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. And we know that tan 45 is equal to 1 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Then substitute in the given question, that is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So that is equal to 2 into tan square 45 is 1 square plus cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square cancel plus and minus. Therefore we get 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is equal to 2. That is the answer. Second question, choose the right option and justify your choice. So first one in that, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. So options are A sin 60, B cos 60, tan 30 and D is sin 30. So our correct solution is C. Let us see why it is C. We know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan 45 is equal to 1, and if we substitute in the given question, that is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45, that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 2. Therefore that is 2 by root 3 into 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled and the answer is 1 by root 3, and 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. So from the table. Next, the second question, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. So options are tan 90 and B is 1, C is sin 45 and D is equal to 0. And the correct answer is D. Let us see how it is D. We know that tan 45 is 1. Now substitute in the given question, that is 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45, that is equal to 1 minus tan square 45 is 1 square by 1 plus tan square 45 is 1 square, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0 by 2, and the answer is 0. That is your answer. Third question, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30, and the options are A cos 60, B sin 60 and C tan 60, and the answer is solution is C. We know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, therefore substitute in the given question, that is 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30, that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square, that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So we can write that is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel, therefore we get 3 by root 3, that is equal to 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Finally root 3 and root 3 cancel, numerator and denominator, therefore we get that is equal to root 3, and root 3 is nothing but tan 60. So that is the correct answer. Third question, evaluate Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. What is the value of sine of 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? Okay students, to solve this question, we know that the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Now write the LHS. What is that LHS? Given question, there is sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That can be written as, or that is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to, so we can write 3 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4, it is equal to 1. Okay. Next, he also given sine of 60 plus 30, that is equal to sine 60 plus 30 is 90, no? So we can write that as sine 90, and that is equal to 1. So in the first one we are getting 1, and in the second one also we are getting 1. Then we can conclude that sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So that is equal. So it become one equation, or it is one formula. Next, fourth question, is it right to say that cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sine 60 sine 30? So we know that, let us take that values. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 90 is equal to 0 from the table. Now take LHS, that is cos 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 into sine 60, that is equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that is equal to 0. So students, actually here he has to give cos 60 into cos 30, that is minus, he given plus, no, so take that as minus, then we get 0. Now cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos of 90, and that is equal to 0. So in both cases we are getting 0, hence it is right to say that cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 plus minus sine 30 into sine 60, that is minus, it is not plus. Next, fifth question, in right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and PQ is equal to 6 centimeters, angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees, determine the lengths of QR and PR. So draw one triangle, that is PQR, right angle at Q. Let PQR is a right angle triangle, PQ is given 6 centimeters, angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees, that is equal to angle P. Tan 60 is equal to formula opposite by adjacent, that is QR by PQ, that is equal to tan 60 is root 3, that is equal to QR by PQ is 6, cross multiply QR is equal to 6 root 3, and sin 60 is equal to QR by PR, that is what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse implies sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to QR. Just now we got 6 root 3 by PR, right as it is. Now if we take PR left hand side, PR is equal to 6 root 3 into 2 by root 3 cancel, that is equal to 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. The length of QR is 6 root 3 centimeters, and the length of PR is 12 triangle XYZ, right angle at Y, and YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to X. Then determine the angles angle YXZ and angle YZX. So draw the figure right angle at Y and mention that values XY is equal to X and XZ is equal to 2X. Let XYZ is a right angle triangle, YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to X, and angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem, XZ square is equal to XY square plus YZ square, XY square is equal to XZ square minus YZ square, that is equal to 2R whole square minus R square is equal to 4R square minus R square. So sorry, it is x square, 4x square minus x square is equal to 3x square. Then xy is equal to root 3, x square is equal to root 3x. So from triangle XYZ, tan x is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is YZ by XY is equal to x by root 3 x. X cancel 1 by root 3, that is equal to tan 30. And angle YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. Tan Z is equal to YXY by YZ is equal to root 3x by x. X cancel. So that is equal to root 3 and that is equal to tan 60. Angle YZX is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore we get angle YXZ is equal to 30 and angle YXZ is equal to 60 degrees. Next, last seventh question. Is it right to say that sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. So the answer is no. It is not right to say that sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So let us take one example. Let ABC is a right angle triangle. So consider angle A is equal to 30 degrees and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. And from that we can write sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. These values we know from the table. Sin of 30 plus 60 is equal to sin of 90 and that is equal to 1. Sin 30 plus sin 60 is equal to, if you substitute the values, we get 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So are they equal? So firstly we got 1 and next we got root 3 plus 1 by 2. Hence they are not equal. So we can write here sin of 30 plus 60 is not equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. So obviously we can say that sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. That is your answer.